was a messy lot in Tortuga. Why am I saying these things? This week on homework, I'm going to fill all these pretty little brown glass bottles up with a multi-purpose cleaner and put one in each bathroom or general area in the house that gets disgusting. It has been driving me crazy that we only have like one or two cleaning supply stations kind of throughout the house. So I'm gonna try to do it here. I'm gonna try not to do it over the sink because it's easier for me to film looking at you, but that might be a bit disastrous. I'm gonna try really hard. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I'm gonna try for 6 perfect pours. This stinks because this opening is way bigger than this opening. Oh, it's gonna get easier, right? Perfect pour. Perfect. Okay, 1 perfect pour down. What should I get if I get 6 perfect pours? I feel like I should get a prize. So I am making little individual cleaning bottles or cleaning stations in each bathroom because I personally do not like to clean very much. So I'm putting these in all of my kids' bathrooms so they can clean and I don't have to. Making my life easier, 1 perfect pour at a time. Shoot, I shouldn't laugh. Shoot. 1. Oh no, that's like a drunken pour. That was like a pirate pour. All right, I'm really gonna concentrate. I'm not gonna talk. Hey, you know what? I might just pirate pour all of these. If I'm doing this, I might just do this. I'm gonna see what happens if I literally do it like the pirates. How much can I actually get in like that, okay? Why not? This is homework. All right, ready? Just do a couple more. There's no more perfect pour. I had 1, and I kind of cheated on that one too. Like, I was like, it's perfect. Okay, I'm gonna try it like this. Oh, this was such a bad idea. Oh, I'm a pirate. Oh, such a bad idea. I'll just wash the kitchen counter after this. Oh no. Okay, come on. Why did I do that? Like, I don't know why. I felt like I had such an urge to do it because you see them do it and it's like, yeah. But literally it's just a huge mess. I'm gonna wash my countertop off. Put the lids on. Hold on, it's gonna come at me. It's coming for me. Okay. It smells really good in here right now. I'm gonna have the cleanest bathrooms. You know why? Because kids love spraying. I don't know why, but they love it. I'm like, oh honey, like can you like pick up the socks? Or like, nah, you do nah. But like, can you spray that down? They're like, oh sure. And then they're like they're going for it. I'm just soaping these up more because there's actually so much solution. I don't think the sponge is gonna work. This is a problem. Definitely would have been better over the sink. Oh, now I feel like a pirate wench, right? Get the bar like, I was a messy lot in Tortuga. I'm literally gonna be cleaning this for like the next 20 minutes. So I might say sayonara to you right now. Godspeed. So homework, put your cleaning solution into pretty bottles, spread them around the house, and don't do this because this is a big problem. So homework.